Have you ever been excited to launch your application, only to be hit with an unexpected error? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling the truncated wrong value error in MySQL and showing you how to fix it. I completely understand how annoying it is when everything seems to be working in development, but then you hit a wall in production. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues when transitioning their applications. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently encountered the error, truncated wrong value, incorrect datetime value when trying to add messages to their MySQL database. They were using Node.js and MySQL, and everything worked fine during development. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together. So what could be causing this error? The issue often arises from differences in MySQL versions or configurations between development and production environments. In this case, the user upgraded from MySQL version 5.5 to 5.7, which introduced stricter datetime validation. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the error the user's encountering, the first step is to check the datetime format being used in the application. The user should ensure that the datetime value being inserted into the MySQL database matches the expected format. Next, the user should modify the way the datetime value is generated in their Node.js application. Instead of using the default JavaScript date object, they can format the date to match MySQL's requirements. After adjusting the datetime format, the user should test the application again to see if the error persists. This will help confirm if the changes made were effective. If the error still occurs, the user should check the MySQL server settings. Specifically, they should verify the SQL mode configuration, as certain modes can affect how datetime values are interpreted. Finally, if necessary, the user can adjust the SQL mode to allow for more flexible datetime handling. This can be done by updating the MySQL configuration file or executing a command in the MySQL shell. Did you know? MySQL has been around since 1995, and it has evolved significantly over the years. Just like us, it has its quirks and preferences. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves adjusting the SQL mode settings in MySQL. They found that the error was due to strict SQL mode. By changing the session and global SQL mode to exclude strict trans tables, they were able to execute their SQL inserts without any issues. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always check your MySQL version and its documentation when moving from development to production. This can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. You should be able to resolve the truncated wrong value error now. Remember, understanding your tools is key to success. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing your database.